Now, mainly on the basis of access control, mainly, okay, computer network can be classified into three types. First one is internet, second one is intranet, okay, third one is extranet. Internet, intranet, extranet. I'll give you the same examples which I gave you before. That's it. Okay. First one. What is internet? What is internet? Vast, global. Now, third keyword is very important. Public. Vast, global, public network, which is also called as network of networks. A network of networks, that is nothing but internet, wide area network, world wide web, okay, that is nothing but internet. This is the word I'm trying to stress, public. This is a public network, what I explained to you just now, okay. Now, second point, access control. Who can access this? Anyone with an internet connection or Wi-Fi capability, okay, anyone with an internet connection, okay. Access control. Security. What is the security of public networks? Basic authentication, no security, but in the internet it doesn't have its own defined security. Instead, they use protocols such as HTTPS. Okay, internet doesn't use protocol. The person who is accessing the internet, the app which you are using to access the internet, that is secured using HTTPS. Hence, security is good, not high security, but the applications which are used to access the internet provide them security. Okay, got my point? Access control. Example, what should I give example, bro? YouTube, Google, Gmail, services which use internet, okay, which require internet, not use internet, which require internet, okay. Example, you can write anything: Gmail, YouTube, Google. Biggest example. Yes, okay. Got internet. Now, always in interviews stress this word. You should stress this word at any cost. Public. This is public network. That's it. Okay. Now, read about intranet. I told you internet was a vast global public network. Now, what is intranet? Not vast. Okay, nothing but small. Okay, a small, not global. Okay, internet is global. This is not global. Not vast. Single private. Stress this word, private. Single private. Single private network. Okay, which is created by one single organization. Okay, not vast, single private network. Okay, which is owned by some private organization. Same definition as private network. Okay, same definition. Okay, got my point? Now, what is access control? Who can access it? Who can access it? Internal employees only. Internal employees only. Now, example or applications. You can take any one of them. Examples or applications. Okay. Companies HR portal. In each and every company, HR owns some portal called as HR portal, where the interviewees data will be collected. Okay, that is HR portal. Collaboration within, not within, collaboration with teammates. Collaboration with teammates within an organization. How it can be done? EMS, Teams, Zoom, we have many things, right? Okay, that is nothing but intranet. Okay, understood it. This is very interesting. Okay, extranet. Private network, or you can say intranet plus limited controlled access to outsiders is nothing but extranet. Nothing but, what is extranet? Combination of intranet plus limited controlled access to outsiders. Okay, internal employees plus few people outside the organization. That's it I'm trying to say. That is a bit extranet. Okay, access internal employees plus any outsider with proper authorization. Nothing but he must be authorized user. This company must claim that yeah, he is the valid customer or he is the valid person who has some access to my company's data, not complete, some access. That's why I'm saying limited controlled access, not complete thing. If it is complete, it's public network. If it is complete access, it's public network. It's not extranet. Okay, private network plus limited control access to outsiders. It is nothing but extranet. Intranet plus extra some outsiders network. Okay, any outsider with proper authorization. Okay, that is nothing but this is access. Now example, hey man, security. Okay, security, usually high security, right? Internet has low security. I forgot for intranet. For intranet is very high security. This also has very high security. Okay, now example or applications. Very famous example. If you don't suggest, you are gone. Supply chain management. Okay, customer portals, as I explained you in the hybrid network. Customer portals, here also customers have only access to customer portal. They know nothing else than compared to that. They just know what data they are providing, what service they are getting. They doesn't know what internally how it is working. Okay, that's it about extranet. Understood this complete basis of ownership and access control? Understood this completely?